At IPBC, one's not just concentrating on the legal aspects associated with IP. You get the broader business context, considering all of the different aspects of intangibles right the way through, from patents and know-how to relationships, intellectual capital, everything that you need to know as an IP strategist.
The specific benefit of IPBC is to have the more holistic view of IP and its relevance to industry, and looking at all aspects of IP and how it's important, from legal, technical and commercial. I've not seen or experienced another arena quite like the IPBC to bring all those aspects together in one place and to have so many experts willing to share their experiences. That's the great thing. The wealth of information here on tap is incredible.
The reason that there's so many good people that are here is because they know who else is going to be here. You've got chief patent counsels of many large companies. You've got some of the world's largest enforcement entities, which are crucial to the market. You've got heads of the major defensive funds that are here. I mean, the players that are really in the market and making the market, that's who's here.
The actual practitioners are up there on the panels, they're up there on the plenaries talking about the issues of the day. There's lots of opportunities not only to watch these people talking, but to actually rub shoulders with them and ask them questions and do follow-up discussions afterwards.
You learn the latest trends in IP management from a business perspective and how to use IP as a business tool. It is a great opportunity to meet a lot of other people in this field, to create a great network and to get a feel for what the best practices are in industry.